Here I am, believe it or not, on the top of the Rock of Gibraltar, and there are these Barbary monkeys that you're looking at as I record this. Something else, the only monkeys in Europe, and there they are with their babies, and I'm sitting right next to them, like 5 feet away. I don't want to get much closer than this. You can get pretty close, but not super close, of course. They are wild animals. Check it out. This is Gibraltar. There's Spain. There's the building. There's one of the peaks. There's like 2 peaks up here. 2 different peaks. There's the port. And down here, that's Africa, off in the distance. That's what you see out there. That is Africa. And there's our monkeys. There's a little guy right there. And there's another one. Unbelievable. Absolutely beautiful. This really wasn't planning on getting to Gibraltar, but once I saw this and had the time and the monkeys, and just fabulous. Hey guy, I don't want to scare them. They've got a little one with them. Okay, I'm going to turn this thing off for now. From Gibraltar on the tip of Spain, looking out, there's the Mediterranean. Listen to that noise they make. Isn't that interesting? Wow. Okay.